It's Danielle here for Nelly and Clem, and I'm just gonna do like a little happy mail unboxing thing because the lovely Aliiiii sent me this really amazing box filled with stuff. So yeah, I was gonna do like a little unboxing. This is so cool. This is the first like official sort of kind of happy mail-y thing that I've done with anyone, so yeah, so exciting. And she's really, I think she's really spoiled me rotten. So yeah, I'm just gonna, what I'll do is I'll slide this over and then I'll kind of grab from the box and bring it out on the desk. So yeah, that's really cute. There's a little washi on here and my D for me. Life right now, vacation dreams. This is cute. About you. Maybe I don't know if that's a card or not, so I might just keep that to the side and then I'll have a look at that in a little bit. Oh, there's all like amazing, like cool stuff in here, all this kind of papery, stringy bits, and these little balls, which are really cute. So let me just let's just grab some of that, pop that to the side. Whoops, they're cute. I'm going to keep those. Oh my gosh, look at these big pom-poms. They're amazing. They're so neat. Oh, I love them. They're such nice colours as well. Oh, I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a sort of red almost in that one as well. Oh, they're really smart. They're crazy. I love that. Massive pom-poms. They're way bigger than I can get them. Need to learn her secrets. Oh, right there. Okay. Oh my gosh. She's put everything in lovely wrapping as well. This is so cute. Look at that. It's all like sprinkles in there. Like memory decks cards. That's so puffy as well. That's so neat. Oh, it's so pretty. This is all that Dear Lizzie collection. It's so nice. More of those balls. They're so fun. I love that. That's really cute. Love it. I'm really obsessed with memory decks now. Like, I'm fully on it. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is craziness. I'm gonna I haven't really got this organised at all. Let's see. Oh, lollipops, they're sweet. So that little bow as well. Oh my god, they're so sweet. That's so cute. Okay. Let's try and pull this out of here. It's like a massive envelope, like a giant stuffed envelope. Oh, how am I gonna? Uh-oh, there we go. It's all stitched up. Oh, wowzer. Aliiiii. How am I gonna top this? Oh, this is, wow, this is crazy. Oh my god, look at that. That's mad. Like a narwhal pen. It looks miffed, nonchalant, miffed. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh whoa, there's so much stuff in here. Look at all these amazing things. Oh my god, cute embellishments. And these bows are lovely. I need to learn how to make these. So sweet. Look at the little puffies. Oh, sequins. Oh, they're so pretty. Wowza. Oh, look at those ones, pastels. Pinks. These are so swish. That's so cute. They're so cute. Oh, that's lovely. More Dear Lizzie stuff. I love these. I have a couple of them. I haven't been able to use them on anything because I'm too scared to. But that's so sweet. Like a folded doily. Like a die cut doily. It's so cute. All these amazing embellishments. They're so sweet. I don't know if that comes up, but you can see there's like glitter on all the edges, stitched as well. Oh, that's so sweet. The little butterflies. Oh, and there's more sparkly bits in there as well. So many sequins. Oh, 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 that's so sweet. And these as well. I wonder if you can get these in a die cut. I need to learn more stuff. That's so amazing. Yeah, I need to learn how to do these. Particularly if I'm going to send stuff back to her, I need to know how to send her cool stuff. Oh, look at the little telephone. Oh my goodness. Keep on smiling. Oh, well I am now. Look at all of this. Oh, whoa. They're so cute. I have to get everything out properly, have a play. That's so sweet. Those little charms are super, super cute. Pinwheels. Look at the pinwheels. Oh, I'm going to put that down. How cute are they? Oh my goodness. I need to learn how to make these as well. There's those little teeny tiny ones that got a little butterfly in it. That's really sweet. Everything's got these gorgeous little charms as well. So cute. So cute. Ooh. Ah! That's so sweet. Oh, whoa. I have a pen, like a big one on the wall, but this is so cute. This can go in my pen pot. Oh, Aliiiii. Oh my god. Look at that. That tassel. That's so sweet. Magical. They're so lovely. There's little sequins in all of these bits as well. You see those? They're so, so cute. I'm going to have to like scoop everything out. This is so, so sweet. Ah, look at that. Big lollipop. That's so cute. It's all stitched as well. Oh, I'm so rubbish at stitching. I need to learn to be better. Stay positive. That's really sweet. Ooh. And this envelope is amazing. I can't deal with how cute that is. And there's cork in there too to like hold it all together. Look at that. Oh, she's got Nelly and Clem written on it as well. That's absolutely the cutest darn thing. That's so, so sweet. Oh, right, let's slide. There's still so much stuff in here. Aliiiii, you're a nightmare. What you done? Oh, uh-oh. Okay, let me... Oh, are they attached? They're attached, I think. So sweet. More tassels. That's so pretty. A peg. Oh, is it attached to it? Oh, no, there we go. Right, let's see. Can I get them there? Oh, I don't want to ruin anything. Oh, this is the bag. So I want to keep that neat. Oh no. There we go. It's ruining everything. Oops. Okay. And that's still intact. Yeah. Keeping it tidy. Oops. Look at that little paper plane. Oh, they're so, so sweet. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. That telephone die cut is everything. Oh, more little envelopes as well. These are so cute. That's so cute. What a noise. Oh, yeah, I need to find out how to do these doilies. That must be a die cut. That's amazing. It's all sparkly as well. Ooh. More sequins. Little charms. Oh, it's just the cutest. The absolute cutest. Ooh, look at those sparkly gems. Ooh, my mind's eye. They're really nice. Ooh, I can jazz up some stuff to send back to her as well. She can have the joy too. Just cut that with some scissors so it's not straight. Ah. Oh wow, they're little dunk. Little cup. That's so cute. Oh, these are so sweet. These are all so sweet. Look at those little charms. Oh. Keep making funny noises, but I can't help it. Look at that. These are fab as well. I need to know how to do these. I've seen a few people do these kinds of things and they're so awesome. This looks really, really neat. Oops. Have a little tassel. That's so cute and such a nice colour as well. Ooh. Okay, that's done that. Whoops. This is, how am I going to get in there? I might leave that promo because I can't get in there very easily without, I don't want to ruin it, but there's loads of beads in there. A big doily. Some thread. There's some cute bits in here. So yeah, I'll have a look in there, but I don't want to, I need to do that more delicately because I don't want to ruin this because this is fab. Okay. Little dinosaur guy. That's so cute. Ooh, choose to shine. That's really swish. Oh, there's two there as well. There's another notebook there too. Oh, magical dreams. They're so sweet. Look at this guy. And everyone knows that I'm obsessed with dinosaurs. But that is the cutest. Right. Down here. Maybe I'll leave this to open separately as well. Ooh. It's like a little. Ooh. Oops. That's so cute. Oh, little sweetie. A little bow, and then another little. Oh my goodness! Look at that. How cute is that? I can't do it without you being able to see. There you go. That's so. These are so sweet. So flipping cute. But yeah, I'll do the same with that one because I don't want to untie it. That's so sweet. Oh, paper aeroplanes. It's really, really cute. Little sequins in there as well. Oh, so sparkly. Such nice colours as well. She's so naughty. Sweet. Can I get in there? Goodness. I'll try and get in there. There's my head's in the shop. Cute. Oh, whoa. Such a cute little card. Little stickers. Retro email. Oh, she's made all these cute little cards. These are fab. Oh. Little envelopes as well. Aliiiii. Well, I'm going to use one of those to write back to her. That's so sweet. Look at this. Oh my goodness. There's so many cute beads and things in here as well. Stickers. Well, this is good because I can use these to make things to send back to her because I don't have these, like little Velcro bits. That's amazing. These are so darn cute. And she's got little cake trays in each one. So that was stressful. Everyone must think I'm very stressed. People keep buying me stress toys. I mean, I am quite stressed, but that's the funniest thing. I love it. It's nuts. I love it. Okay, we've got eye masks. Ooh, squishy ones with rainbows on. I think that's like you put in the fridge. That's amazing. Ooh, that'll be fun. Ooh, there's some other little bits and pieces in there, so I'll open that one separate thing. I think they might be like face masky bits. Lovely. Whoops. And then M&M's. And some socks. Ah, that's so cute. Look at that. Oh, Okay, they're the cutest. Ah, I love it. Oh my goodness, that is craziness. Ali, you're a nightmare. Right. We said we were going to keep it, you know, oh, we'll just do a few things, keep it cash, like, yeah, this is not casual, lady. I'm gonna have to reciprocate. It's amazing. Thank you so much, Ali. You're an absolute superstar. And thank you for watching, guys. This is really lovely. This is my first sort of, other than obviously my mother has sent me many a happy mail, and they're always greatly appreciated, but this is the first one I've ever had from someone that I haven't met before as well, so this is like my Instagram buddies. So yeah, this is awesome. Thank you so much. And yeah, I can't wait to put together the happy mail reply. Okay, well, I'll leave it there, guys, and lots of love to you all, and I hope you're all taking care and doing well with your sort of lockdown brains, or if you're unlocked now, but just be careful out there and keep your masks on. And yeah, lots of love to you all, and I'll be back again soon with a layout, or who knows what. Maybe I'll show you some of the bits I do. Maybe I could film what I'm going to send to Aliiiii, and then I could just wait till she's received it before I post the video. I might do that. Yeah. Okie dokie. Anyway, enough chatter. Lots of love to you all. You take care, and I'll see you soon, and I'll speak to you all again soon on another video. Okay, guys, take care. Bye.